What's going on, stackers? So this video is part of a playlist which you can check out right there in the right hand corner, all about my KDP income. Each video we break down month by month to see how much I have been earning. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about low and no content, then check out that link down in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. Within here I add brand new trainings every single week on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, like I said, this video is part of a playlist. We have quite a few of them now. I'm also trying to catch up with the months. That's why I've been doing quite a few of these. But the previous month to this was actually June. So let's go back to June for a second. Again, if you want to check out that playlist, click right there in the right hand corner. So in June, we made $3,167 in royalties, and then in July this was just as good a month, where I made, if you let that load up, I made $3,069. Now at that time in July, I'm not too sure how many books I had. I'm guessing I probably would have had close to 1,000, because I've always been pretty consistent with uploading my books. Now in July we can see my best day. In fact, that's on the wrong one. We'll do units in just a second, but we can see that my best day was $187, and my lowest, it looks like, was $48. So everything was starting to pick up really well. Now there wasn't any holidays that I really targeted for July. I can't remember if there is any. I don't think there is, but in a second I'm going to show you the niches that was selling pretty well for me. So like I said, best day 187, lowest day 48, and we can see that I had some pretty big swings again, going from 187 down to 77, all the way back up to 148, and then all the way down to $48. So if we actually change this to units, we can see how many I was actually selling per day. So again, my lowest day was 22 units. My best day was 103 units sold in one day, and I've still got all those little swings. So the beginning of the month, 28, then 43, 23, 45, 31, 59, and so on. So if we actually scroll down to here, we can see which marketplaces were performing the best for me. Now we can see that these two are fairly even, so 47% in the UK and 51% in America on Amazon.com. Then if we look at my books just here, for the whole month of July I've sold 1,485 units. Then my best selling book for the month actually sold 650. Now this is actually for teachers. It's the teacher niche, but it's teacher appreciation. So July, I'm guessing, is actually the holidays, school holidays here in the UK, and then lots of parents usually buy gifts for their kids' teachers. So I'm guessing that's why that sold quite a few. But then if we look here, this is actually my best selling one to date, and then all these are also teacher appreciation as well. In fact, this one isn't. That's a composition notebook. So if we actually take a look at this, I sold or I made in royalties $1,107 from those 650 units. My second best one, my best selling book to date, sold 325 units, made me $890. Then my third best sold 29, making me 64. Then 17 just there, making me $32. 14 making me 31, and another 14 making me another 31 as well. That's actually strange. Look at that. Those numbers are exactly the same, but these are actually two different books. So anyway, let's go back up to the top. Now, not all of this is profit. The majority of it actually is. I didn't spend much on advertising at all for the month of July. So in fact, let's go over to my Amazon advertising account, well, one of them, and take a look at my ad spend. Now, I've said this in previous videos as well, that when we go to check the dates, we can't actually go back further than a few months, as we can see just here. So we're just going to look at the data right here. So in July, if we go down to here, I only spent $43.59. Then if we go over to the amazon.co.uk advertising account, we can see as well that I didn't actually start running ads till the 1st of October. So let's go back over to my royalties. Let's take that and plug that into the calculator. So 3,069.60 take away, let's go over to that account, and then what was that? It was $43.59. So let's do $43.59 equals still $3,026. So July was a really great month for me. Now, I don't do this much, but let's have a look to see what that is in pounds. Now, I tend to do all my earnings and things like that in dollars, because most people who follow my channel are from America. But just for this case, let's actually change that to GBP. Go back to historical, let that load up so we can see. It normally takes a second. So in pounds, that was £2,438. So if we take away what I made in, or what I spent in ad spend, which was $43, so let's say £30, that's still £2,400. Again, extremely happy with these results, considering that July, I think that was probably around my 8th month running this business. So again, really happy with these results. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.